Origin O35P dehumidifier, an extraction capacity of 35 liters per day, suitable for areas up to 3500 cubic feet. Let's see how it works. You can press the power key to switch it on. This is what you can observe on the panel. The machine has been on for about 2 minutes on the top. The current temperature inside the room is 26 degrees Celsius. The current RH inside the room is 52% and the RH which has been set is 40% humidity. You can press the settings key to check the inlet and outlet settings. The inlet is absorbing air at 27 degrees Celsius, 49% humidity, and the outlet is releasing air at 28 degrees Celsius, 42% humidity. When we press the settings key again, we can come on the humidistat mode where we can actually set the required level of RH percentage at which we want the dehumidifier to function using the lower setting key on the left. You can also check the temperature units and you can change it from either degrees Celsius to degrees Fahrenheit depending upon your usage. Next, you can check the coil temperature, which right now is 13 degrees Celsius, and you can check the compressed current, which is 2.3 amperes in this case. And lastly, you can press the purge key on the right to take care of the drainage. A filter can be found in the front part of the dehumidifier. You can remove the filter like this from the front for cleaning or replacement purposes, and once you are done, you can reinsert the filter back to its position like this and push it back. The drainage pipe can be inserted like this on the side. You can also attach a duct on the side for focused drying. The dehumidifier also has a set of wheels and a handle which comes on the side, which you can lift it up like this in order to carry the machine around easily without any hassle. And once you are done, please put the handle back to its position like this. We hope this video was helpful. Please rewatch the video if you could not understand something, and please reach out to us for any questions or queries. Thank you.